This video is to show you how to add a property. Before adding a property, you want to already have uploaded your OM and created the city in the property locations. So to create the city, you should have a video for that, but I'm going to show you very quickly how to do it here. You're going to log in, go into dashboard, go into properties, go into property locations, and in property locations, you're going to create the city of the location. All of the states are already in there, and all you need to do is create the city. So prior to creating a property, you need to make sure that the city is already in here. Okay, and so now to add a property, what you're going to do is you're going to go back to the dashboard, go into properties, go into add new. And so you're going to, let's go to one that already exists since we don't have one that that needs to be added. You're going to go into add new. You're going to add the name, enable the hero. You're going to add an image or a map at the top. In this case, we want to add the image. You're going to show original title and subheading. You're going to add the background image. That's the image at the top. You're going to add the address, the price, which is only the number, the year built in here. You're going to make sure that is featured and add to gallery are already checked, or that you check them. Then you're going to add the property here. This will situate the property pinpoint on the map. Then you're going to click here to add your pictures to the gallery. Then if you want to add a video, any kind of video, you can add the URL of the video here and it'll immediately populate it. All you need to do is copy paste the link. Then here in the additional details, you have complete control over this section. When you initially begin, these aren't going to be already open, so you're going to be adding them manually. And the way to do that is you click add row and then you populate the section here with the label, and this is with the value. To delete one of these rows, you just click delete. You're going to ignore this add attachment because we created a custom system for your attachments for the OM. You're going to always add the cap rate here. You're not going to add it up here. It's going to go in this box here. Here, you're going to be adding the description. This is basically a Word document type of input. You're just going to type it in, and you can use these very familiar graphic elements. A bold, ital. Here you can add a heading or other type of formatting. And then down here, this is a custom code that we created for what Barry and you wanted to have made available on the properties. So what you're going to do is you're simply going to copy paste the OM code. This section here, we've custom created the code for it. So you're going to flip over to text and you're going to come to the OM code document. And you're going to insert the code below this section here. And you're just going to literally just copy paste it into the, where did that go? Into the text section of the description box. So you're just going to paste it in there, okay? Control P. Then once you're in here, you're just going to replace, like we discussed while I was at the airport, this number here. And the way that you obtain that number is once you've uploaded the OM, as we've discussed, you're going to pick up the number from that OM. In this case, this was the Dunkin' Donuts. So you're going to go into, you can do a search if you've forgotten what the number is. and you're going to pick up that number from here, 3142, that ID number, and you're just gonna put it in here. That's it. Don't touch anything else. Make sure that you do that from the text section, just to avoid any issues. Then you're going to come back up here. You're going to place the featured image here. Normally this is blank. It would look like this. You're just going to set the featured image, go into your media library, or if the picture has not been uploaded, you're going to upload the file, select your file from your desktop and upload that image. Once the image is uploaded, you're going to select it and make sure that you have this information here filled out. Descriptive information. Don't just put main image or featured image. This creates better SEO by putting in a description there. And then you're going to set the featured image and it'll populate here. Then you want to make sure that these are all default. Don't pick an agent here. Well, in this case we do have Barry. It's fine. It won't show up. You want to put the property location, St. Petersburg, Florida. You only select the city and it will automatically include the state. If you put the state, it'll remove the city. So make sure you just select the city. Then you put the property type. You make sure that it's clicked as available. You put the property tags in there. And then you just click update. If you'd like to see it before, you can hit preview. It'll switch over. You can view the property, make sure that it's the way you want it, and click update. And that's it. You are done. Property added.